Ayan, papunta kami sa ano niyan, 2024 Barcelona champion. Meron tayong bibili na 3 young bird.
It's close for you. Oh, wait. See, you're not.
Itong mga pigeons. Pigeons. 3 little birds.
Guys, we have a 4 racing pigeons, and in 2 weeks we're gonna get 10 or 12 racing pigeons.
Okay, on the way po tayo sa loop ni nangangarera ng Barcelona race.
Thank you, Daddy.
Binigay na sa atin yung
Short and slow, you know, there's a short and slow.
yeah, I buy the it's in slow, yeah. This is also feeds for the young bird. This different, that's your own mix.
From farm, yeah, you can buy from a farm.
Ah.
I'll show you now.
No, meron na tayong training box. We are lucky. People very nice.
Everywhere.
Yeah, but at the moment we cannot try to toss still baby. You have a video in your Facebook with Mark Gilbert.
Yes.
And the other one that the one who win?
Yeah, Mark Gilbert has, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, Mark Gilbert.
Uh-huh.
We are doing a joint breeding, so we are splitting
You joined
babies.
breeding
Yeah.
with Mark Gilbert.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. I'm lucky.
Blue one.
Oh, nice.
This blue one, this is the father. So this father
Oh,
has been to many races this year.
oh, very nice.
You know,
Body.
yeah, including it's been to last year pigeon. Last year only, and then I sent him across the channel twice, but now.
Do not open.
And then, you know, it's the same color as that one, the baby. But no more, you see, they can't fly because the flies
Yeah, you need to wait until
molting again next year.
it's not okay, we can off the
I get a big
Yeah,
this.
this one. Oh, okay.
This one is the pigeon.
Wow.
One second, I come back now.
Oh, Barcelona in mind. Oh.
This is the trophy for the win. You see, Barcelona.
Ayaw niya sabihin kung magkano yung napanalunan niya. Pero yung halaga ng kalapati niya ngayon is 30,000 pounds. Ngayon na kay Mark Gilbert pinapalahi.